In a glass-walled cube, Myra wrangles a chaotic team huddle as a stray office cat pads across the whiteboard. Across the floor, Jake fumbles a spreadsheet metaphor, confessing love for a perfectly organized inbox and a clumsy heart. During the stand-up, the IT outage freezes the projector, turning a rain of sticky notes into spontaneous comedy. At lunch, coworkers swap tales of failed launches and stubborn printers, lifting spirits with shared humor. By close, they toast small wins and stubborn resilience that makes office life secretly lovable.